Hey there! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to dive into the amazing features of the BLACK+DECKER Crisp and Bake Air Fry Toaster Oven to 3217SS that I recently purchased at Walmart. Let's start by unboxing it. Wow, just look at it! The toaster oven has a power indicator light, an easy view glass door, and 3 knobs. We have the temperature and cooking function knob, the timer knob with a stay-on setting, and the toast shade knob. Inside the box, we have some great accessories that come with the oven. There's an air fry mesh cooking rack, a regular rack, a bake pan or drip tray, and a crumb tray. Now, let's put this toaster oven to the test. I'm going to toast 2 pieces of bread and air fry 2 chicken thighs to perfection. First up, let's toast those 2 pieces of bread. I've already put 1 piece of bread on the rack. Let's add 1 more. Since this is my first time using this oven, I'll set the cooking function knob to toast and the toast shade knob to medium. Now, let's see the time lapse of the toasting process. Oh my goodness, look at those breads. They turned out a bit over-toasted. I'll definitely set the timer to a shorter time in the future. Moving on to segment 2. Crispy air-fried chicken thighs. I want them to be crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. To air fry the chicken thighs, I'll set the cooking function knob to air fry and the timer to 35 minutes. Now, let's see the time lapse of the air frying process. Ta-da! These are the 2 chicken thighs after air frying for 35 minutes. They look crispy and slightly overcooked, but I bet they taste delicious and will make my taste buds dance. Close to perfection.